So guys, that's the customer and that's the car, and we'll be working on this car. So how did you thought about this? By like seriously like finding for customization, I was mainly focusing on YouTube, like how guys are doing it.
Okay.
Later on I found like there is some guy auto around us. So I thought we'll go with it, like we'll have a check. I did also try for other market in Vashi and all, but all were saying about auto rounders only.
Oh, really? Did you stay, where did you stay?
In Kharghar.
Kharghar.
Yeah.
Oh, so you checked there and there also you got
Yeah.
answer.
In Vashi also I checked with like many outlets.
Oh, really?
So all were like, no, if you want to do this job, you go to auto rounders. That those guys will be better.
Thank you.
So I came directly over here.
Oh.
And finally I met you. Happy with it.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. So guys, we'll be modifying this car, interior exterior both, and I think we will take around 3 weeks to do this. So stay tuned. And this car was scheduled actually. Otherwise we take more time. So, but we have scheduled this car. We are planning to finish it in 3 weeks. Stay tuned, guys. So now we are going to start the work from today, and I just wanted to show you the car, how it's looking. So as I said, this is a old model Innova, and we will be now modifying this to the Type 4, which is just before the Innova Crista. A lot of people do call and check with us saying that can you modify it to Crista, but the Crista entire body, chassis, everything is different, so it is not possible or not even advisable to attempt. But what we'll be doing in this car, we'll be modifying it to Type 4, which is the standard Type 4 model of Innova given by company, where almost 18 to 20 parts will be changed. All these parts, so like this is called bonnet, the show grill, front bumper, so all these 3 parts will be changed. The headlights will also be different. Fog lights and fog light chrome cover will also be different. On the side, this is called fender. Left and right, both the fenders will be changed. So in Type 1 and Type 2, the indicator was given here, and in Type 4, the indicator will shift to the mirror and there will be no hole over here. That's why you have to change the fender. Also, the shape from here is different because of the new headlight. So on the side, this thing will shift here along with the chrome garnish. There are not many changes on the side. At the rear, the bumper will be changed. This bumper is already changed to Type 4, but since it's damaged, we will replace this. Even the tail lights will be changed. In dicky, you don't have to change. Actually, you just have to do a fabrication work and install a dicky chrome garnish over here with the reflectors. You don't need to change the dicky. So these are the prima facie 18 to 20 parts which are required to modify. And along with that, as I always said, we paint the car in the paintball machine so that you get the brand new looking car. You can check the interior of this car. Even the interior of this car will be customized. This is the standard interior of Innova. Now since Innova is a very reliable car, you don't feel like selling, but then you also get bored of using the same vehicle. Like these vehicles are more than 10-12 years old, so you get bored. So you can actually upgrade it to new model plus paint it, get the interior work done, and rather than selling the car, you can facelift and do all this kind of work at auto rounders, so that at least you will get some newness and freshness for next at least 6 to 7 years that you will feel like using it. So stay tuned, guys. Once the work is done, we will show you the car, how it's looking after the work is done. Thank you.
Hi everyone, as you can see, this is Innova Type 1 2008 model, which just came to auto rounders for Type 4 modification. In this we have replaced front bonnet, show grille, fog lamp. You can see the fog lamp is projector fog lamp, show grille, front bumper, headlight, which is projector with sequential DRL, you can see the projector fog lamp, which is with upper dipper function, and these are very powerful projector fog lamps. As you can see, the brightness, In this we have installed a diamond cut alloy wheels, side door molding, chrome door handles. In the rear we have replaced the tail lights, dicky putty reflector, the rear bumper, spoiler. Let me show you the interior. We have customized the interior in cream and brown. You can see the door trim, door pads in brown, steering in genuine leather with wooden finish, gear boot, gear knob, handbrake in cream. You can see the seat covers. We have totally customized seat cover as per customer request. You can see the pattern, fitting. And this we have installed Android touchscreen player. The legroom light, and these seat covers are all custom made seat covers. So guys, if you're looking for such modification, you can call us on 7666 930 930. We are based in Mumbai. Thank you.
Hi, good evening everyone. This is Hawal here from Auto Rounders. Today I am with Manoj ji. He's from Kharghar. He's become such a good friend and his love for his car is so much that I can't tell you. Let's hear from him.
Hi guys. I guess you people have seen my earlier car, and that's the reason I have came to Auto Rounders. Now even I am not believing how the car is looking to me. Like seriously brand new and seriously awesome work by Auto Rounders and the team. Thanks, brother.
I can't tell you how much enthusiasm you had in getting it made.
Seriously.
We were so excited on the way and it's an absolute pleasure to work on this car.
Great.
I hope everyone has it copied at home too.
Sure.
Thank you so much guys.
Thank you guys.
Keep in touch. Bye.